Hey, what's up? I'm Trevor, the creative behind Khwalala Studios, where creativity meets purpose. Here we design visuals that talk, from bold graphic designing to meaningful stories and visuals. With a touch of perfection and satisfaction, we turn imagination into impact. Stick around, we'll create something that speaks. Just like that, just like that, just like that. Okay. So I'm using the white space. Then what I need, I'll duplicate this as well. And bring this. It's way up teeny. Bring it here. Amazing. Already fitting well. Can move it, so I need to use the node. So put it center. Let's put it here. Then I need to use this one. Move it where I want. I'll put it here. And I'm going to just take the sticker. There's this white fray. You can't see, but I can see it. Right, I'll duplicate it. Then I'll merge this. Okay. Then I'll bring it somewhere here. Then I'll copy that because I really need to use it here so that the text should pop up. Then I'll copy that as well. I'll be behind the text. I'll bring it here. I'll lock this. Stay connected. So I'm just going to do with the background. Let's use the same scribble that we created. This one. So I'm going to change it to black. Enhance. Adjust the opacity 15. Let's put it at 4. Send it back. Great. Then what else? We need to use the coins. Alright. What can I do to use the coins? So come here. I have this application, so I don't want to use the photo loom. Photo loom is good, but it takes time to load. Since I'm using the website, so I'm just going to use one. It's application beta open first. So this application is also used to manipulate your text, but I just want to use the background remover. When you remove the background using this application, when let's say you're using the photo, it comes out bad. It is, oh, I downloaded the background. Fine. All right, we're going to use that. First of all, let's remove the background of them. Great. You see, the cutting is not good. Look at the edge. Look at the edge. Okay, fine. Anyway, we're going to use the. So I'm just going to save it. I'm going to go back. Let's take this. Hey, in the background, we see how it's going to remove. Too bad. So after removing the background, I'm going to import. So I was using this. So I'm going to take this one. Because it will work with the edges because of the white. Alright, so I can press it somewhere that is, it will distort the texture of the picture. I just press it somewhere that is going to. I need to blend it with the white color. Somewhere. Great. So there's also this other one. Which one? Let's take this one. Stay connected. So I'm going to duplicate this. How did you come up with this? It's a sticker. You just go add, and this is the sticker. That's what you manipulate to come up with the shadow. So I'm using this one. I'm going to change it to black. So I'm just going to create this shadow. This like that. So I'll send it back. Then I'll adjust the opacity. Then I'm thinking of creating something. Something. Put this bro. How do you think? Should it be like that or like this? No. You can create something like that. It's beautiful. Put some details here. So let's put it. I wanted something very small. So I'll leave it like this. Then I'll move this. So I'm just going to mark this and this, then move it. Put it at this position. Then I'm going to lock this. Then copy this, put those there. I'll put my phone number +265 996 968 902. Then I have to change this. Let's put to regular. Let's use this one. Then I'll copy it, bring it down, put my email address. Why do you need else? They what? Alright, I need to find the symbols. So there's this font that I downloaded. It gives me icons. Let me search for it. It gives me icons. Of course I have the icons that I can use, but alright, let's use the because I don't know where to find it. I don't know where exactly. Yes, this one. So I'm going to use this. So I've put my phone number there and the email. So I'm going to use this icon. So some will just take this and place it here. I'm like, are you serious? So what you need to do is to remove the background, the white. So once I do this, I've removed it. So I can change this to white. So just reduce the size to what I want. Then I'll need to move the number a bit inside like that. Okay, move this to here. Great. Then I duplicate this, crop. Now I need the email. Then here we go again. Alright, so I just move this a bit here. Then press the icon for email here. Don't worry, of course it's looking blurry, but when you save it, it will look very clear. So I just increase this bar a bit, press it on the center. So it's already on the center. Okay, so I need to move this here, this here, the phone number, the icons. Now I need to make sure that they are centered, they are on the same levels. That's great. I think we are done. Of course, I remembered I saw the background that I downloaded. Let's just try, but I already love the white. Pins, I downloaded. Okay, let's send it back. Just opacity. No, let's use the white. I'm having the white. Okay, this is great. So what I'm going to do, I just want to increase the size of this one. Press him somewhere here. Amazing. So I brought this thing. It's nasty. It's resources. Okay, it's resources, but it's not giving vibe at all. So yeah, I don't need this. I'm done. So what you need to do is to save it.
see the results after saving. Going to go to my gallery. Right, then see what we have made. Let's look at it, look at it. So this is it, the quality. You can look at the size is 1.33 MB because the saved as very high. If you could have saved as Ultra, you could have related maybe 2 point something. So the size, we used 1500 pixels by 1500 pixels. So this side, the sizes that the dimensions also affect the size of the file. So since because it's for social media, it's for digital publishing, it's great to use it. At least the 1500 to 1500 is different with the print, because the pixels that you import is going to determine the size of the print that you're going to get after printing out. That is for the press. Okay, so for this we are good. Later, and you can go and publish it, you can go and post it. But okay, I've scoped one error. Look at this. We didn't get it well because it was blurry, so we didn't align it very well. Look at this icon, the phone call icon, and this email icon. The email icon has drifted up a bit. So in designing, that is a great mistake. So what you need to do is to shift this down a bit so that it can align with the icon for the phone. So we're just going to shift it with 4 pixels. We'll save it and see. Now I'm going to save it as Ultra. Let's check address. Now we are good to go. So I've saved as Ultra 1.9, 1.33, 1.19, 1.91. Alright, so here we go, we are ready to go. So in other videos I'll teach you how to also manipulate what you have designed. You can also manipulate it a little bit, put something crazy, something just to enhance it. Okay, so for example, I can increase the saturation, just enhance it using this application which is called the Snapseed. So increase the shadows. Alright, the highlight here. I'll do this curve. I'll teach you how to use the curve. So this is Snapseed. You just use it to enhance the picture. Now you're enhancing your designs after doing everything. So going to increase structure, sharpen it a bit, right? But now I'm done. The weak point of this is that it reduces the quality. If you can zoom the text, it's high quality. But with what I've done with the Snapseed, it loses the quality bit. Is this Snapseed? Yeah, it loses the quality bit. Of course, you can see that the file size has reduced 1.2 MB from 1.91. At least it didn't lose much quality. So this is how we use the Pixel Lab to come up with the flyer. In the next video, we're going to explore more and more. Okay, so first what you do is you research. Let me switch on my mobile data. First research. What are you trying to create? So researching happens in two phases. You research by getting some inspiration. So using the applications like the Pinterest, you can go on Google, search what you want. All right, maybe you want a flyer for maybe cooking or salon. You just go there and get some inspiration. Okay, all right. When you take from the inspiration from the things that you're seeing, what you took is you don't steal the design. All right, you don't steal the design. You steal like a designer. Don't steal the. But say, okay, he made this. I should also replicate everything that he did. No. On this side, let me put it somewhere around the middle or down part or the top. All right, okay, he used this font. All right, what's the name of the font that he used? All right, where can I find it? So that's, you're getting the inspirations, you're getting the idea, you're generating the ideas by looking at other people's design. That's what I mean.